Hey Hawthorne kiddos, it's Mr. Thomas. Hope you're doing well. Hopefully you've been able to do the work your teachers have been sending to you, that you've been able to watch the countdown videos and that. Just wanted to get on and say that we miss you guys terribly. Today at the Thomas household, it is Crazy Hair Day. I'm growing my hair out till we go back to school, so it'll be interesting to see how long this gets. But hopefully you're doing well. I'm going to turn around the camera now and get started on countdown. So today we're going to be on Unit 14, Lesson 4. And in this first part that we're going to be doing is called Connect the Letter. So we have the letter W. What sound does the letter W make? W is correct. Now we need to find the picture that begins with the W sound. Listen carefully to the three pictures. Zero, wig, volcano. Which one begins with W? Wig is correct. Next, we have wing, van, quick. Which one begins with W? Wing is correct. Next, we have yarn, waterfall, sick. Which one begins with W? Waterfall is correct. Next, we have wagon, box, candles. Which one begins with W? Wagon is correct. Our new target sound is the letter J. And what sound does the letter J make? If you said J, you are correct. Our pictures for this one: jet, violin, quail. Which one begins with J? Jet is correct. Next, we have watermelon, juice, yawn. Which one begins with J? If you said juice, you are correct. Next, we have soap, cupcake, jellyfish. Which one begins with J? Jellyfish is correct. Next, we have jump, bookshelf, lion. Which one begins with J? Jump is correct. Our next target sound, the letter Z. What sound does the Z make? Z is correct. Our target pictures for this one: zoo, bone, hamster. Which one begins with Z? Zoo is correct. Next, we have quiet, zebra, yogurt. Which one begins with Z? Zebra is correct. Next, we have sidewalk, wave, zigzag. Which one begins with Z? Zigzag is correct. Next, we have glass, volcano, zucchini. Which one begins with Z? Zucchini is correct. Next, we have the letter G. What sound does the letter G make? G is correct. We have jelly beans, dinosaur, garden. Which one begins with G? Garden is correct. Next, we have gift, whale, lamp. Which one begins with G? Gift is correct. Do any of you remember what the synonym or the word that means about the same of gift is? Present and gift are synonyms. So if you said present, you are correct. Next, we have garbage, stars, water. Which one begins with G? Garbage is correct. Next, we have the letter Y. What sound does the letter Y make if it is acting as a consonant? Y is correct. We have mouth, yellow, quilt. Which one begins with Y? Yellow is correct. Next, we have yes, window, toes. Which one begins with Y? Yes is correct. Next, we have the letter Q and U. Remember, we're working with what sound when these two letters appear together? Qu is correct. We have question, vase, upside down. Which one begins with Qu? Question is correct. Next, we have worm, queen, zipper. Which one begins with Qu? Queen is correct. Our final one, it is a red letter, so we know that it is a vowel. This is the letter E. And what is the short vowel phoneme for the letter E? Is correct. What would be the long vowel phoneme for the letter E? E is correct. Remember the long vowel phonemes? Say the letter name for the vowels. So that's A, E, I, O, and U. The short vowel phonemes are going to be A, E, I, and So which one of these begins with E? Alligator, yo-yo, elbow. Elbow is correct. Next, we're on to Unit 14, Lesson 4, Part 2, and we are going to be doing the activity called Unscramble This. So what we're going to do, since we have the picture there already, we are going to say the word, then we're going to bring the sounds down, and as the letter sounds fall down to underneath the picture, please say the sound. Once all three letters are down there, we will then blend the sounds together. So we have yes. We've got y, s, yes. Next, we have 6. Ready? S, I, x, 6. Let's count to 6 real quick. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. What is the number that comes after 6? 7 is correct. Good job. Next, we have pen. Let's say the sounds as they fall down. P, E, N. Pen. Next, we have van. Let's say the sounds. V, A, N. Now, parents, if you hear the teacher saying closed syllable or CVC words, this is an example of that. So if you hear a CVC word, that means consonant, vowel, consonant. So in this case, the black letters are consonants, the red letters are vowels. A closed syllable is a word that has one vowel followed by one or more consonants. And so the word van and most of the words that we'll be doing are going to be, well, as I look through the book, all of them that we're going to be doing today are closed syllables and CVC words. So, and that's something that the kids will hear throughout their school career at Hawthorne. As from countdown, they'll go into blast, and from blast into HD word. So you will hear closed syllable quite a bit. That's one of the 6 syllable types that are taught within this program. So just some information for you as we go forward. Our next word is mug. Let's say the sounds as they fall down, please. M, g, mug. Cat. K, a, t, cat. Next we have kid. Let's say the sounds, please. K, I, d, kid. Next is ran. R, a, n, ran. Next we have pod. Those are peas in the pod. So remember that dark green underneath that those peas are sitting in? That's the pod. Let's say the sounds as they fall down, please. P, a, d, pod. Our next word is net. Remember, with this picture, since we see the arrow, we got to be a picture detective. And in that picture, we see the arrow pointing to the net. Let's say the sounds, please. N, e, t, net. Jet. J, e, t, jet. Next we have hop. H, a, p, hop. Next we have bug. B, a, g, bug. What is another word or a synonym we have used for bug this year? Insect is correct. Good job, guys. Next, we have fox. Let's say those sounds. F, a, x, fox. Next, we have cup. K, a, p, cup. That is it for today's lesson. Just a reminder, if you have any suggestions, to please either direct message me on Facebook message. You can also email me at robert.thomas. You can email me at robert.thomas@keokukschools.org, or you can also email or message your classroom teacher and they will get me the message. So hopefully you're doing well. Stay safe, and we really miss you.